Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to parse the link from sitemap.xml file in Python. A sitemap is a file where you provide information about the pages, videos, and other files on your site. First, I will install XML2Dict module for Python. We can use pip or pip3. Install pip3. Install XML2Dict and hit enter. We have successfully installed XML2Dict module. Now we can write the code. I will just clear the terminal and go to our editor screen over here and import XML2Dict and import request. And now I'm going to use XML2Dict .parse method, and then going to use request.get method to parse our to make a get request to our XML file and get the text back. So over here, this will be site map is set to XML2Dict dot parse and request dot get method, and here you need to pass in the URL of your site map XML file. So for me it will be in sitemap.xml and then dot text, the text property to get the text back, and this will convert the sitemap.xml to an associative array, which is a dictionary in Python. Now let's print few URLs from this file. The important tag we are looking for is log for location. That leads to a list of URLs. Let's see. Here is the site URL, sitemap.xml, that I'm going to parse. And here are the links to few links from this site. We can right click over here and click on view page source. We can see over here the log tag XML. Yeah, this log tag have link to other XML file, and I can select any URL from here, or you can just select the latest one. So when I just paste over here, for example, this URL, it will have a link to the post on this website, because this is a WordPress website. So the post to the link to the post or the pages, you can say, on your site. Right here we have these links. We want to pass these links from our sitemap file. So I will just kind of copy this one and use it in our code, and I will just paste it over here. Replace that link. And save. Now it's time to get the URLs. We can do that. URLs equals to URL and get the tag log. And for URL in our sitemap, this will be URL set, and over here URL. Now we can just print the few URLs. We can do that by using print. And a new line. And we are going to join it with our URLs. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.